Beneath the frost where shadows sleep, the snow lies soft on hill and keep. Yet through the cold a whisper grows, the tender bloom of winter's rose. Her petals